How many bites it takes me to finish this. I think this is the jumbo. Candy dog, candy dog. I really like the grilled onions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making the Starbucks Unicorn Frappuccino drink into a lip scrub. I'm gonna take my glue gun, which has already been heating. It's just plugged into an extension cord I have here. Fill this up to make it look like a swirl. Okay, so we're gonna let the first layer dry. I'm gonna take some of my sparkles here that I had, my sprinkle sparkles. I'm just gonna cut it open like diagonally. And I'm gonna grab my bowl I have here and just put this, I'm gonna put actually all of these in here. So I'm gonna start off with some purple. And if you guys want, you can put like vitamin E into the mix. And you just got a beautiful lip scrub. I'm just gonna top it with this. Add some sparkles onto it. Add some of the glitter one. Ooh. Look how cute that is. Hi guys. Yeah, look at this. Octopus, tentacle, leg, and some plain old good noodles with enoki mushroom and onions. And that's all I put in here because I really want noodles today. But I find that if I put too much broth in there, it's not as spicy. Big bite. First bite, big bite.
Hello! How are my cutie cues doing today? I miss you so much. Today we have Arby's. Now you guys, I have never had Arby's on my channel ever. And I think I had Arby's like one time in my life. I've never been a fan of Arby's. I don't know why. I just never had it before like that. Do the hand-tied challenge. We have to eat with our hands tied, and we can only eat with the tied hand.
So what sandwich do you want to try first?
I'm gonna try this one right here.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up.
Oh God, you gotta position it good. You can't use that hand. You gotta position it. That's good. Try it.
I'm allowed to try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's up guys, it's your girl Peggy here. Welcome back to my creepy channel. We are gonna eat some fish and chips from McDonald's. Actually, they call it fish and fries. Yeah, it's not fish and chips, but fish and fries. So McDonald's in Singapore brought back their fish and fries, which is great because I love it. And I was saying before that McDonald's in the UK should definitely come up with this, right? Since fish and chips is UK's national dish, right? You know what? Let's start with the fish and fries. Yeah, this one. It's very crunchy. Tartar sauce.